Hey guys, I'm Wildman Dan, and this is the Wildman Dan Show. And as you can see, we are in a beautiful location. What we're gonna be looking for is a couple different species of rattlesnakes. Might be able to find maybe like a speckled, maybe a Southern Pacific, red diamond, sidewinder. Who knows what we're gonna find today, but it's gonna be amazing, and I can't wait to take you on this adventure. I'll see you guys soon. Guys, check this beautiful animal out. I just want to talk about how well camouflaged this is and how suited it is to an environment. So right here, as you can tell, this is Granite. It's a little bit on the lighter side. And the cool thing about these speckled rattlesnakes is that depending on where they live, so if the Granite is light, if it's pink, if it's blue, if it's black, the majority of the animals will actually match that color. This gives them a great advantage of not being seen out in the open when hawks are flying by or when a coyote's out and about. Oh, you guys would walk right by these guys and not even know that they were there unless they were rattling like this. How beautiful. Let me go ahead and turn her around. I'm gonna see if I can get you guys a good shot. If you notice, she's actually got 2 holes and a nice set of eyes. So the eyes are right there on top. Let's see if I can. Oh no, she's looking at me. No, honey, I'm not gonna hurt you, I promise. Just gonna point you this way. We just wanna look at how beautiful you are. That's it. There we go. So, right there in the front, she's got these beautiful eyes, absolutely stunning. She has this tiny little nostril right up there in the front, and then right next to it, there's another hole. It looks just like a pit. That pit right there is called a heat sensing pit. And this is what gives them an advantage at night. At night, when they're looking for rodents, could be any type of rodent out here, honestly. What they're gonna do is they're gonna look for that heat signature of the animal itself. And as it runs by, they're gonna go ahead and be waiting to ambush that animal. They'll strike it normally right behind the head, inject venom with their 2 fangs, and the next thing they'll do is actually let go of the rodent. Now, the big question is why would an animal like this, that spent all that time looking for a rodent, let it go right after it found it, caught it, bit it, and injected it with venom? And the cool thing about it is because this animal will actually go and find it later once that animal has died. Because it doesn't want to get bit. That's the coolest part. So guys, let's talk about something absolutely incredible about this animal. She's beautiful, absolutely amazing. Oh, she's gorgeous. But the coolest part is, I'm probably a good foot away from her. She's facing the complete opposite way. She's not even rattling. These animals, they're not aggressive. Everybody calls them aggressive or evil or that they're out to get you, they're out to bite you. They're not. The thing that they're gonna do is first they're gonna rely on camouflage. She thinks she's absolutely invisible. I have no idea she's here. And so she's just gonna stay as still as possible. That rattle up there, those are some interlocking keratin locks basically. So there's one on the bottom and then there's another one that sits right on top and it sits snug in the middle. So as it shakes, it hits each other, interlocking chains, but it won't actually fall off unless it breaks, which you can tell from hers, it definitely broke. But after she figures out, or he or she figures out that you've spotted her, the next thing she's gonna do is she's gonna coil up like this. She's gonna stick that tail right up in that rattle and she's gonna rattle it, letting you know that she knows that you've seen her. Now, this is the only reason why she's going to do this is to warn you. Hey, I've got venom, I don't wanna use it, I don't wanna bite you, and I want nothing to do with you. If you walk on your way, I'll be on my merry way and we'll leave each other alone. The last thing she's going to do is she's going to strike. And the second she strikes, it's because you were probably trying to mess with her. So as long as you leave her alone, you'll be set. Woo! Beautiful animal. Oh, looks like I startled her a little bit. See ya. I am looking for a lizard. It's still early in the morning, so I don't know exactly what I'm gonna find. Oh. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look, 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 look. Oh man. Oh. Oh, come here. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, this is a Xantusha. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, so this right here, this is a granite night lizard, also known as a Xantusha.
Hold it in the sun, Granny.
Oh man. Oh, normally these guys are nocturnal. I'm surprised I just found this guy. I wasn't expecting that. There are two different types. There's the regular night lizard. That one's more of just dark coloration. This one is the granite, and as you can tell, because of those spots, put them right there, he just blends in perfectly. My goodness. What a cool little find. I was expecting for a side blotch or like a spiny lizard or something. That's awesome. All right, buddy, come on. I'll put you in the sunlight because I know you're nocturnal. Ugh, you do not like being in the sun. Come here, little buddy. Oh, what a beautiful animal. Look at that. Granite night lizard. Who would have guessed? All righty. See you later, little buddy. Awesome. What a find. Good morning, everybody. 4,000 elevation, so we're pretty high up in the mountain right now. Looking for another species of rattlesnakes known as the Southern Pacific. They like to be in higher elevations compared to the other ones, although sometimes you can find some speckled. So right now I've got some beautiful rocky outcrops. Let's see if we can find one. Normally they're underneath the rocks at this time. So, gotta be really careful. Like I said before, they're gonna rely on that cryptic coloration. So they are going to hopefully be completely camouflaged. And I've got to see if I can find them. And only then will they probably rattle after that. I don't want to get bit or step on one either. These guys can range in size, obviously. I mean, like if I find a little baby, won't be that big. They're pretty tiny. Oh, stop, 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 stop. There's one, there's one. Right there, right there. Oh, beautiful. Let me go ahead and grab them out right there. All right. Come here, little beauty. Come here, gorgeous. Oh, you're wedged right in there. Do you mind coming out to play for a little bit? Awesome. All right, come here. It's all right. All right. Look at this. Woohoo! Look at this. Beautiful Southern Pacific rattlesnake. These guys are absolutely beautiful. You can tell very different from the other species of rattlesnakes that we have here. So there's the speckled rattlesnake, red diamond, the western diamondback, sidewinder, and the Mojave green. This one right here usually can be found in higher elevations. And the reason for that is because, think about it, rattlesnakes usually eat same things, from lizards to rodents. And when different species are in the exact same habitat, they're going to be competing for resources. So what's going to be best for them is to try to either be in different habitats, different elevations, or try to focus and specialize on different foods. When it comes to snake species, specifically like the rattlesnakes, what they'll do is they'll usually be in different ranges based on elevation. So some will be a little bit higher, some will be a little bit lower towards the sand dunes, and like how we are up here past 4,000 elevation, we get the Southern Pacific rattlesnake. Gorgeous, gorgeous animal. Ooh. So this guy, also venomous. You definitely do not want to get tagged by these guys. The second you get bit, what you want to do is you want to just head straight to the hospital. It'd be cool to get an identification of what kind of snake it is, a quick picture, but there's no need to kill it. There's no need to bring it in. Just get in your car, call 911, and get to a hospital as soon as possible, or you might be airlifted. Either one works. Ah, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous animal. She's extremely docile compared to what I usually find. Most Southern Pacific rattlesnakes, or Crotalus helleri, are a little bit more defensive than this. They're a little bit more nippy and rattle a lot, but she seems cool, calm, and collective. Gorgeous. All right, 2 snakes down. Let's see what else we can get. Oh, no, come here. Gotcha. I can't believe it. This right here is a horned lizard, also known as a horny-tailed. A lot of people call him that. Oh my gosh, I'm like gonna cry. He's so cute. Look at him. These guys are ant specialists. They will eat other bugs that actually fit, but man, do they love ants. Isn't that right, little guy? Yes, you do. Look at how spiky they are. They've got all of these horns, spikes all over the place, basically to deter predators from actually eating them. And then they'll bulk up, they'll fill themselves up with air, like that, except it doesn't really work on me, but it works better for them, so that animals don't think they're bigger than what they really are, and don't try to go ahead and grab them and swallow them whole, basically. Oh, beautiful find. Watch it how he just disappears and blends in with the environment. Woo, that's a little bugger, isn't he? Horned lizard, everybody. What a gorgeous animal. Snake. Oh. Whew. Oh, look at this. Oh, beautiful little guy. Looks like he was just right out in the road. This right here is a coach whip or a red racer. He's a little young one. Normally these guys are a lot faster. It looks like he's getting ready to shed. Beautiful little guy. These guys are not venomous, absolutely harmless. Lizard eaters. They might take on some other small rodents. Sometimes they will eat other snakes. Beautiful, beautiful animal. All right, I'll let you go. Oh, good, buddy. And they are fast sometimes. Come on, get out of here. Yeah, I guess not that guy today. Beautiful.